Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Jira issue from Confluence with Confluence automation. Click the plus icon to add an element to your page, and the Insert menu appears. Type a / to open the Insert menu with all available content blocks. Click the Confluence Administration gear icon in the top navigation bar to access settings, and a drop-down menu appears with System Options. Click Automation in the left sidebar to open the automation page, where you'll see your existing flows and templates. Click the Create Flow drop-down button at the top to see your options. Select Use a Template from the drop-down menu, and a Templates library opens showing pre-built automation flows you can customize for your workspace. Click on the Send an Email with a Rovo-generated summary template to select it and preview its workflow. Click on the Page Publish trigger block to select it, and a configuration panel appears on the right showing the trigger settings you can adjust. Click the Select Condition Type drop-down to see the available options for filtering when this automation runs. Select Smart Values Condition from the list to set up dynamic logic based on page properties. Click the Compare Two Values block, and its configuration panel opens on the right, with fields for your comparison logic. Click the Send Customized Email block to view its settings, including recipient fields and message template options. Click the Save and Enable button drop-down at the top right to see save options including Save as Draft or Publish Immediately. Click the three-dot menu button to open additional flow options like Duplicate, Export, or Delete this automation. If you need to edit your automation later, go back to the automation page in Confluence Administration and find your flow in the list. You can disable a flow temporarily from the three-dot menu without deleting it, which is useful for testing. The Smart Values condition lets you set up logic based on page properties, labels, or content, so you can filter exactly which pages trigger your automation. CQL conditions give you even more control over which pages activate the flow. Once you configure your trigger and actions, your Jira issues will be created automatically when the conditions are met. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.